How to mention someone in your Instagram story without showing their name. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mention someone in your Instagram story without showing their name publicly. It's super simple, so now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. So first thing you need to do is create a story. So for that, simply tap on your story at the top left corner of the screen. And once you do that, on the new page, you will see the list of photos and videos. So simply select the photos and videos for your story. And here, once you have selected the photo or video for your story, just upload it like you normally would. And once it starts posting, just give it a second to finish, and once it's fully posted, just tap on your story to view it. And here, once you're inside the story, just tap on more button in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, simply tap on add mentions. And now here, just type in the username of that person that you want to mention, or simply select their profile. And once you have selected it, just hit add, and that's it. Now the person has been mentioned, but their name won't appear publicly in your story. They will still get the notification, but no one else will see it. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.